credit report tip of the day. Your credit isn't just a number. It's the key to accessing funding, growing your business, and taking control of your financial future. When disaster strikes, your credit report is your roadmap to recovery. Life can throw sudden challenges, hurricanes, medical emergencies, or income loss. But your credit report isn't just a number. It's a tool to regain control fast. Here's how to use it strategically. Access your report, check for errors, list your debts, contact your creditors, access available credit, leverage aid, plan payments strategically, create a recovery timeline, monitor your credit, and seek professional guidance. Your credit report is more than just a snapshot. It's your recovery roadmap. Take control today and turn disaster into your comeback.